How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. Vegetarian one this week. I needed to use up a lot of chickpeas. I had loads of chickpeas, and I love chickpeas. So I'm obsessed with falafel at the minute. Different experimenting with it, you know. And I've done a falafel patties. I ain't deep fried it with a tzatziki sauce. Goes very well, and a pickled pepper corn thing going on. Really, really nice. I've made the falafel a little bit different. I put some curry powder in there and some jalapeno. It is different, but it's so good, and I had fun making it. Jalapenos in falafel. You don't put jalapenos in falafel, Steve.
No. You don't put jalapenos in falafel.
You don't put curry powder in falafel.
Proper falafel, that.
Not
No
traditional.
way.
Sounds a bit
Not
weird.
logic,
Curry powder
Steve.
in there,
Sounds a
Steve.
bit weird.
Well, it's my falafel, and I can. Enjoy, guys. For the falafel, add cilantro, parsley and jalapeno to a food processor. Now blitz for 30 seconds. Add chickpeas, garlic, curry powder, chili powder and salt and pepper. Now blitz until smooth. Transfer to a bowl. At the end, add baking powder and sesame seeds. Mix well. Cover and place in the fridge for 1 hour. For the tzatziki sauce, add peeled cucumber, mint and a squeeze of lemon juice to a blender. Lid on and blitz for 30 seconds. Transfer to a bowl, add garlic, stir, season to taste, stir well, now place in the fridge for 1 hour. For the pickled peppers and corn, add vinegar to a pan, followed by sugar. Stir on a medium heat until the sugar has dissolved. Take off the heat and put to one side. Next, cut the peppers and add to a bowl, and also the corn. Add olive oil and salt. Now add to a hot grill and cook. Also, you want to get that beautiful char on the peppers and corn. When cooked, let cool. Next, slice peppers and shave the corn off the cob. Transfer all the ingredients to a bowl, followed by the pickling liquid. Now place in the fridge for 30 minutes. Drain, add back to the bowl, add cilantro, salt to taste and mix. Next, shape the falafel into patties. Add olive oil to a hot pan. Add the patties and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So there you have it, simple, vegetarian and so delicious. It looks good, it smells good. Oh yeah. I love that into curry in there. Let's try some of these pickled peppers. Oh man. I love those pickled peppers. And that tahini is really nice. Cuts through. It's a delicious vegetarian dish. You can't go wrong.